Swapping the switches on my Yunzii YZ75 keyboard. Here's the before. And I'm adding Echo CS pianos. Here they are unboxed. And that's what they look like in person and hand. They're 3-pin and fit in almost every custom keyboard. Inside the keyboard are Gatoron yellows, which are not as good as the Echoes that we're about to put in the keyboard. I'm not doing another transition, so here's the Echo CS pianos inside of the keyboard without any keycaps on. And here's the final product. Let me know what you think. Check out the full-length video for the entire transformation process.